Hi. So I just asked Google about what's a typical like financial advice for a parent or a dad would he would teach to his kids. So mo na gawa sa ChatGPT five money lessons nga pwede nimong itugan sa imong mga anak like for your future generation, di ba? So be number one is be a role model. So they are watching what you are doing. They are not listening what you said. So be an example to them. Kung how to handle money, be an dili po ka kung sa imong giplano ana kung sa set aside nga kwarta mo ora to na imong gastuhon. And second is encourage financial unity, meaning involve sila sa inyong budget financially, involving sila sa unsa inyong plano, unsa inyong goal within the year, end of the year. Yan na. So teach third is teach about savings and budgeting. So when you save, say unsay importance of na-save, unsay importance of budgeting. Kay saving is your setting money, taking money aside from your income after the before mo expense ka nya. Budgeting is telling your money where to go and have like a discipline to follow it as well. So as well as the fourth one is start early. So start early ka unsay kanindot og mag-start early unya maka-save ka sa iyo nya powerful sa compounding interest kung maka-save ka kay ang imong ang mga okay, mo interest mo imong kwarta unya mga anak pag yun na siya interest mga anak sa imong kwarta mga anak pag yun mo na power of compounding interest. And shared sa ilahasad ang unsay real life experience nimo about money kung na kay bad experience or wala jud kay experience or wala kanang sa una wala jud nang gitugan I mean your school or like or sa imong parents nakuha naman sa imong parents how to handle best for money mo nang okay arang mo handle kag money is you're good on handling money. So yeah, share it to them so that they will also understand. So yeah, those are the five money lessons that you can teach your kids. It's be a role model, encourage financial unity. 3, teach about savings and budgeting. 4, it's start early. And 5 is use real life example. And yeah, if you want more content like this, just follow and subscribe. And thanks. Bye.